Hey everyone, welcome to the fourth video in photo manipulation basics with Photoshop. And this video is going to be about sky replacements and couple ways we can get rid of the sky and change the sky to any kind of sky we want. So if you have a background, if you're taking a selfie and you have a background and you want to change the sky around and make it cool and post it or something, whatever you want to do. This is gonna teach you the ways. Okay, so here I have this image with mountains and a sky. So go ahead and find an image with a sky and we'll go from there. Okay, now how you get rid of the sky, there's a couple ways, but the first way is to see if the quick selection tool will do some of the work. So we'll click the quick selection tool and click select subject. Now we'll see what happens, but we might have to do a bit of extra work. Okay, it didn't do anything. So let's go ahead and deselect that and move forward and use the magic wand tool. Now if we click, it'll click all the colors that are attached that are similar. So if we hold down the shift key, that symbol pops up and we can continue clicking and to add to the mask. Okay. There we have a good general selection going. We're gonna go down here to our tool we've used in the previous videos. It's gonna turn it all red, but as you can see there's a bunch of red dots because they must be stars or something. Alright, so choose your brush tool, raise up the brush size, and just go over if it's white or it needs to be black, switch it. So I'll go back to white, get rid of all the red little dots. Alright, that should be about good enough. Alright, now exit out of the edit in standard mode. So yeah, click it to edit in standard mode. So now we have our selection with no little red dots, white selection dots, and we can hit delete if we want. That's what I'm gonna do, so delete. And now we have just layer. Now go select and deselect your selection. And now we just have a layer of mountains. We can replace the sky however we want now. I'm going to rename this mountains. Now go to your internet and now I typed in sky. So I'm going to find a sky that I think will go well with the mountains. First I want to image adjustments, levels, and see what brightening. Oh, look at that. Okay, go find your cloud. Oh, that would be cool right there. Just because of the colors. Click once, edit, copy, go back to Photoshop. Now go behind the layer, so below. Now go edit, paste. I want to bring the mountains back down to darker. Okay. Can also shrink down, Command T, grab a corner, drag it down, keep dragging. Okay. That seems to work. Anyways, that's one way you can change the sky. But we can also go further from there and go to our adjustments. Hue and saturation. Hue. Okay, that is the one way. You can either quick select and hopefully it'll select for you, or you magic wand, click around, click the sky, all the colors by holding shift to add to the mask. As you click, it becomes one big one. And hit delete and then add a new layer below, which will, if I added it above, it'll just be the image above, and that doesn't work. So bring the sky behind the cropped out sky mountains, and you'll have an image like so. Alright, that's one way. Create new. Create your project and go to your internet, find a sky, download free, click once, edit, copy, go back to Photoshop, edit, paste, Command T, shrink it down. Okay. Now another trick, another sky replacement trick. You can go back to your internet, find a cool sky like this, download. And this is where we'll use what we've already used in the previous videos, our blending modes. Edit, copy, edit, paste. Okay, shrink it down. Oh. And basically you want to have a sky like so. Enter. Now blend, darkness, multiply, and then you just play around and see whichever one works the best. I think darken worked the best here. So, as you can see, I turn on and off the layer. It uses up the sky mostly. Okay, that's the other way. Now, what I want to do here is show you quickly the easiest, fastest way to get the perfect sky replacement. Okay. I'm going to choose this layer. I'm going to go to the erase tool. Erase. I'm going to bring the brush size up and just start erasing. So erase your sky. like so. Okay. Now go under the layer because we're about to paste in a sky. Okay. Right here. Download free. Click once. Edit. Copy. Go to Photoshop. Edit. Paste. And now move it around. Okay. Choose your original layer, image, adjustments, hue and saturation, bring down, match the sky, go to saturation, okay. Now add a new layer, choose blue, maybe blue, I don't know, okay. Alt delete in the new layer. Now go choose your blending options, just play around with them. And that is how you can use a couple different ways to use sky replacements. Alright, in the final video, which is the next one, it'll be cropping out a background of a person and adding in a background, essentially a new background. I hope you learned a thing or two with this quick video, and I wanted to keep it nice and simple, as I hope you've been practicing your skills and getting a little bit better and better. That's the main goal here with this little program. Okay, have yourself a nice day, and we'll get back to you with the 5th and final video on taking out a background from a person and adding in a new background. Alright, have a nice day, and we'll talk soon. Thanks. Bye.